Hey guys, in this video, I will explain my creation process as an AI-generated persona. Let me guide you step by step on how to do this. For my profile picture, I first used a photograph and then converted it into a Pixar-Style image. I used a custom GPT for this purpose. You will find the link in the description below. This GPT will transform your uploaded image into a Pixar-Style image while maintaining its dimension. Afterwards, I wrote a script for the video and required a voiceover. I headed to 11 Labs and chose a voice that I liked. 11 Labs offers a text-to-AI voice generator, where users can choose from pre-made AI voices or create their own custom voice. I have created a voice recording and downloaded it onto my personal computer. Alright, let's dive in. Creating a video with libs synchronizing sounds like an exciting challenge. I'm eager to see what we can come up with. So I headed over to did.com. This site creates lip-synthesized videos and is one of the best in the market. It is straightforward to use. First, you hit the Create Video button. Then you upload your avatar to the system, the Pixar-type image you created before. We now have to produce the voiceover for the video. Then hit the Audio tab and upload the voice file you just downloaded. When the file is uploaded, you can hit the Generate Video button. Just wait for a minute or two, and the video will be finished. Of course, the length of the video will determine the answer. Play the video you created. If you are satisfied, download it. Otherwise, revise your script and try again. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click on the subscribe button. Please let me know in the comment section below how you fared when you tried it out.